Okay, so I think we're doing good so far. We're learning a lot, right? So I just wanted to point out here, I just want to mention to you guys that the solutions that I come up with and the solutions that I provide to you, some of the videos, there can be more than one solutions, right? So even if you are trying with a different solution, but using the same methods that are required, so till then everything is good, okay? So it's not necessary to solve it by the solution that is provided to you. But the main purpose is just for you guys to understand the method that you need to use to achieve the result, right? So here's another quiz for you guys. We're learning NumPy, right? So this is a quiz. Create a NumPy array A with integers 0 to 100. We've done that. It's pretty simple, right? Make an array B. Store only odd integers from A and B. Okay, so you're supposed to only collect the odd numbers from A and store them in B. Also, only integers starting from 100. So if you have an array from 0 to 200 and you want to start from 100, and which means B should contain all the odd integers from 100 to 200, right? This is not at all difficult. So give it a try. And as usual, we'll discuss the solution in the next video. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.